Procedures and local variables. Now, to be honest with you, it doesn't have to be a procedure, but I'm using an example of a procedure in order to do this. What I'm trying to show you here is that there's something called scope, and we'll get into that in much more detail here in a moment, is variables really matter on where they are in relation to a function, a procedure, predicate, whatever, method in general. So in the example that we have for you, there's nothing crazy. We have a print greeting function, we have a main, and that's about it. In the main, as you know, we're going to start from top to bottom. We're going to do the print greeting first, and then we got some other stuff. So let's do print greeting first. In print greeting, I have an age of 100. I am announcing myself, and then I print out my years, and it says, Professor, Mr. Lupoli in this case, I am 100 years old here. There's days. Now, by the way, I just got done print greeting. That's fine, so I'm moving down. I have int age equals 40, but I am 40 years old here, as you can see on this output. Now, wait a minute. They're both named age, and that one's named age. Well, local variables. That age 40 is local to the main. Matter of fact, to be honest with you, it really extends its domain, as I'll call it, is being highlighted right now, but it's from that line on down to the return of 0. That's where it can be used. This particular age, it's the same thing. It's a different function of print greeting. Looks very similar to the main, right? But it's going to be used here, and its range is going to be to the bottom of print greeting. So when print greeting is done, this particular variable of age is gone. Amnesia. Hey, remember the call stack, track it in the memory diagram that we talked about? All that stored age, but as soon as we were done with the print greeting function, poof, we didn't need it anymore. It had no idea who this age was. Could there be another person named exactly like you in the world? The answer is yes. Do they have different values than you do? Different things? Absolutely. It's the same idea as what we have here, but again, my local variable is going to be working, living, and dying in this particular main. The age variable here is going to be local and works, lives, and dies in print greeting. So welcome to the world of local variables.